Teacher Appreciation Day, or Happy Teacher Appreciation Day. In a world where communication is key, everyone deserves the opportunity to express themselves. At Sign Tribe Academy, we believe that American Sign Language is more than just a language. It's a bridge to understanding, connecting, and empowerment. Our sign language and disability support courses were developed with one mission in mind: to teach American Sign Language to support communication strategies for autistic and disabled individuals. With over 1,000 videos, including easy-to-follow courses, interactive lessons, conversational skills, live Zoom workshops, and a supportive community, Sign Tribe Academy provides the strategies and resources needed to unlock the potential of our students. Whether you or your child are just beginning the ASL learning journey or looking to expand your ASL vocabulary, Sign Tribe Academy has something for everyone. Unlock the power of communication with Sign Tribe Academy. Join us today and let's create a world where everyone can be seen, heard, and understood. Sign Tribe Academy, where communication begins. So happy, you're going to have your hands in closed fives. You can use two hands or one, kind of more toward the center. You may see it either way. There are different variations. Teacher. So teach, person. You're using this with your hands and your closed fives going down your body as the person marker, meaning like teach person, okay? Teacher. So teach, your hands are going to be in closed fives, and you're going to have them here, kind of like where a bill of a hat would be. And as you move out, you're going to close your hands. Teach, and then move to closed fives, and then down like this. Teacher. Appreciation. Have your hands in closed fives on your chest, dominant hand on top, and then just go around like this. Appreciation. Appreciate. And then day. Have your hand, your dominant hand with the index finger resting on your non-dominant arm, and then come down like this. Day. Happy Teacher Appreciation Day.